Eliminating bad habits requires a strategic approach and consistent effort. Recognize the triggers or cues that prompt the unwanted behavior. Whether it's a certain time of day, specific emotions, or environmental cues, understanding what triggers the habit can help you develop strategies to avoid or manage these triggers effectively. Instead of simply trying to eliminate a bad habit, focus on replacing it with a healthier or more constructive behavior. Identify positive alternatives that serve the same purpose or fulfill the same need as the bad habit, and intentionally practice these alternatives whenever you feel the urge to engage in the unwanted behavior. Define clear and specific goals for eliminating the bad habit. Establish why you want to break the habit, what you hope to achieve by doing so, and how you plan to measure your progress. Having a clear sense of purpose and direction can provide motivation and focus throughout the process. Break the process of habit elimination into smaller, manageable steps. Rather than trying to tackle the entire habit all at once, focus on making gradual progress over time. Break the habit down into smaller actions or behaviors, and work on addressing each component individually. Enlist the support of friends, family, or a support group to help you stay accountable and motivated. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can make it easier to break the cycle of the bad habit. Make changes to your environment to make it easier to avoid the triggers associated with the bad habit. This might involve removing temptations, restructuring your daily routine, or creating physical barriers to prevent engaging in the unwanted behavior. Develop greater awareness of your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors related to the bad habit. Mindfulness techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or journaling can help you observe your habits without judgment and make more conscious choices about how you respond to triggers. Celebrate small victories and milestones along the way to breaking the habit. Reward yourself for making progress, whether it's with something simple like a treat or a moment of relaxation, or with a more significant reward for reaching major milestones. Breaking a bad habit takes time, effort, and persistence. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or relapses along the way. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and grow, and recommit to your goals with renewed determination. By implementing these tactics and staying committed to the process, you can effectively eliminate bad habits and create positive, lasting changes in your life.